Which of the following does not describe the word recess? A. A non-dominant heritable trait or gene. B. A hollow space inside something. C. When proceedings are temporarily suspended. Or D. A remote, secluded, or secret place. Recess has several meanings, including a temporary break in an activity, a secluded area, or an alcove inside something. We actually see all three of these definitions in our choices, with choice B reflecting the third definition, choice C reflecting the first definition, and choice D reflecting the second definition. Choice A, a non-dominant heritable trait or gene, is actually describing recessive, which, although connected to recess, isn't the same. Based on this, we can mark A, a non-dominant heritable trait or gene, as our final answer.